Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we're doing a pantry meal. We're gonna have spaghetti and meatballs, but you can do spaghetti and meat sauce. You can use, I'm using some home canned sauce. You can use store-bought sauce. You can use your home canned with meat, store-bought with meat, or you can use the canned hamburger they have, the Keystone, or your home canned hamburger, or your home canned pork, ground pork, Italian sausage, your home canned meatballs, anything. So whatever you have, you can use with your store-bought or home canned sauce. We have a loaf of that shelf-stable bread. We're going to make garlic bread. And we have our noodles and our shaky cheese. So get started, super easy with the bread. And what does it say to do? Preheat the oven to 425. Remove bread from packaging and place directly on the center oven rack. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until center is soft and hot to the touch. Remove from oven and serve hot. So I'm going to do that, and then when it's done, I'm going to cut it down the center and put some garlic spread on there. See? And it's sealed in this with a I don't know if it's an oxygen absorber or yeah, it's an oxygen absorber. When you see these scissors in my kitchen, they are only used on food, nothing else. So I'm just going to put that on the rack in the oven. That's what it says to do. Don't need that. There's our meatballs. Okay, that's in. The timer's set. Meatballs are ready. I'm going to open this over the sink if I can find my opener so I don't get it everywhere. So let's see. Put that there. Get some water. And that's it, easy peasy. We're just heating everything up and gonna boil some noodles. It's my little jar opener. Water. And we're just going to bring that to a boil, cook the noodles as directed on the box. I will show you the bread when I take it out to get it ready for garlic toast. And that's it, easy peasy. So we'll be back. Okay, our bread is done. So I have a half a stick of butter about. I'm going to add some garlic powder, and this is softened room temperature butter, a little garlic salt, and we're gonna slice our bread. Still hot. Gets nice and crusty on the outside and very soft on the inside. So we're going to mix this up. And you can buy the garlic spread at the grocery store, and that would save you on your butter. If I can remember to do it, I'll do a video on your own garlic spread. There we go. There's our flavored butter. Just slather that on. Go from coast to coast. I used this little thing so I didn't waste any butter at all. Scrape every bit of it off that bowl. We got every bit. And then I'm going to take some shaky cheese. And we're going to put this in the oven until the top is golden brown. Okay, check our spaghetti. So are you guys a leave it whole noodle person or break in half noodle person? I hear it's like sacrilege to break it in half. When I use a big pot like this, I just, you know, do the drop thing and let them slide on in. I use a smaller pot, I break them in half. So, I'm going to let the bread get golden brown, the noodles get done, and we'll come back and plate this up. Okay, here's our noodles. I'm going to drop that sauce in there. I don't put oil in the water with my noodles because you want your pasta sauce to stick to the pasta, and if it's all oily, it won't stick. And this will put some flavor into the pasta, so you want it al dente when you add the sauce. If it's overcooked, it'll get mushy and fall apart. So there is our spaghetti. And we're just waiting on the garlic bread. Okay, the bread is done. So we are going gonna add our shaky cheese. Now, we'll try and cut this without getting burned. It's very hot. You see golden brown? Hot. Hot. There it is. That's our pantry meal. That's nothing to poo-poo. And I have some meatballs I can put in the freezer for another day. Delicious. So you can make good dinners from the pantry, you guys. Just throw together whatever you have and make a meal. So anyways, just wanted to share mostly this bread, shelf-stable bread, and show you can have delicious meals right from the pantry. So you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. And please thumbs up, like, and subscribe.